Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has said there is a lack of good science or maths teachers in rural areas. Therefore, the students are losing interest in both science and the maths subject. He, however, said that the new education policy gives scope to learn various subjects. He also said that the government will fill up vacant posts in teaching in various government schools once the model code of conduct is lifted.
Whoever have the interest, they can participate. But now, having said so, it's what I call practical challenge to many of us, especially in the rural. We don't have the good science teacher. We don't have a good maths teacher. Therefore, the students' interest is losing for the science and the mathematics.